Ladies and gents, Christmas morning, or it might as well be because it's rally launch day. It is 8:05 a.m. We got Red Bull. I'm already one coffee deep. We're in the Scat Pack Challenge. Jeez, I almost said Challenger. Scat Pack Charger today. Rallied with us last time. We are about 5 minutes out from the rally launch. Super excited to get some stickers on some cars. Got some surprises for you guys. Going to Milwaukee, Wisconsin, which I just learned was in Wisconsin this week. I thought it was in Minnesota. Holy moly. This is the first time I've seen those wheels in person. Sheesh. Or in this color anyways. That color is nuts. Hello, Mr. Step. Good morning. Good morning.
How you doing?
Good morning, Nick. We haven't seen you in a minute, I think since literally last rally.
A little hungover.
First task of the rally, finding some dry land to put these stickers on.
Look at that. Bada bing, bada boom.
Yes, sir. Another victim of the sticker. Mr. John joining us again, the R8. Oh man, some cool colors.
So many colors.
Wow. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, quick update for y'all because haven't been doing a ton of filming. It's a little rainy, kind of putting a little damper on the speed and driving. Having fun on the last launch was magnificent. I mean, we're just on the way to the first gas stop. So again, nothing crazy as far as the driving yet, but tomorrow is gonna be super dry. Hopefully the second half of our little trip today is gonna clear up. We're still in Michigan. We are on our way to, I guess, Indiana first, and then Illinois, and then Wisconsin. Let's get after it. Gas stop, bathroom stop, number 1. See you next on the itinerary. We're having a little lunch, and then leg number 2 for the first day. First gas stop, boys. Ho ho -ee. First beverage of the entire rally. Cheers, boys. Little stop. Lunch was good. Got some pizza and some salad. Swapping up cars, going to the S5 that I'm sure the people are familiar with.
Hey guys, Kev's hopping in the S5. He's in his home territory now. I'm moving to the Scat.
Yes, sir.
Drive safe.
All right, see ya. Rolling out. This guarantees us at the front of the pack, Mr. Troy. Still a little soggy, ladies and gents, but we have found ourselves at the front of the pack. Leg 2 of the rally. Let's hit it. Friday, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, back on the road for leg 2 of the Friday trip. Holy moly. Lunch stop was fun. We're back on the highway. Mr. Troy in front of us again. And let's see, we got the 911 right behind us. Just back after it. We'll keep cruising, keep you guys updated throughout, and meet guys at our next stop, shall we? Come get their mans. Look at this plane on the Kia. Ladies and gents, we are at our first toll of the trip. Behind the 720S, beautiful blue color. We have about an hour and 38 minutes until our next stop, and that's where we're at. This is awesome, isn't it? Phenomenal.
Be there tomorrow.
We are 6 minutes from the second gas stop, and having a little fun on the highway because we finally hit dry roads for the first time this entire rally. Ty's already at the hotel, so we're gonna meet him. He's got a 12-pack of Bud Light waiting for us. Yeah, we're just cruising. Wait a minute now, hold on. Are you seeing this, ladies and gents? Just looks like one truck, right? No, it's 4! Yo, these guys are crazy in these trucks. They're like following us and like, whoa, buddy, what the f are you doing? Jesus Christ.
They're trying to run me off the road.
He literally is.
He just brake checked the BMW.
Yeah, and this truck behind him too. Or in front of him now. So he's right behind
This
us.
is nuts.
Jeez, dude. Now, what the hell? He said pull over. Dude, they're chasing him down, bro.
Dude, these guys are insane.
They're just going after the BMW now? Like, what is the point?
These
What are
guys
they doing?
crazy. Holy shit, bro.
Idiots in Wisconsin, man. We are, we're all good, we're all safe, but that was a little scary. We were driving, not doing anything. Literally just cruising with 2 other cars, the BMWs. Out of nowhere, I mean, you just saw the video, this guy runs us off the road. That lane that he changed into in that video was the far left lane. So it was, yeah, it was a shoulder. We almost went into the barrier. They brake checked the BMW after they almost ran us off the road. And then there was another black Dodge Ram. Man, Wisconsin, you gotta figure it out. Holy cow. We're all good though. We got about 11 minutes until we're at the hotel. Check in, get everything settled, figure out the situation then, and then probably hit the hotel bar, chill out. The Fister! Woo-wee! Ladies and gents, pulled into the hotel parking garage, and well, it's looking like a little private car show. You know the deal. Couldn't do it in the wet this morning?
No, it came off while we were driving.
I think everybody's did.
I realized he drinks too much and started.
What up?
Would you say you have a shade emergency?
I would say I have a shade emergency.
We got the emergency shades right here for you.
How'd you get the logo on the box?
I actually drew it. So.
Take my job. Are these all? Are these all the same?
No, they're not. So I actually haven't looked at them. What do we got? I think we have a couple different tints. I think for the club
I
later.
believe they're actually called Hues.
Huge.
Huge.
Thank
These
goodness.
look interesting.
Oh, those are like the vintage. Like I did look at those. Let's see.
Oh, these might be it.
I think I want the clear ones for later.
Oh,
Just
the
'cause it might
blue
be
and
dark,
pink.
you know?
Get the f out.
The blue and pink is sick. Ladies and gents, full fit has commenced. Shall we run through it real quick? We got the buffs, of course. floral, the silly belt here. I'm digging this. I think this might be a new daily for me as far as the glasses and perhaps the hair. We might grow into it. I don't know. It's kind of fun. Doing a little Bob Ross kind of deal tonight as the theme is crazy wigs. Very excited to see what everybody else is going to bring. We're actually meeting up with Ty, a couple other people, see what they got going on. We'll catch you in a second. This dude went all out. I'm digging it.
We're not doing buffs?
What?
We're not doing the thing?
We're all wearing buffs.
These are buffs.
These are buffs?
These are buffs.
I have no idea what buffs are.
Yeah.
There's no buffs or
I
glasses.
thought buffs are the feathery things.
No,
What?
Pep G's YouTube channel is the most underrated channel I've ever seen on YouTube. So hit the bell, subscribe, take a shot with us, have a great night.
Actually, this is Gigundus. This mirror is cool.